Are you a Harry Potter fan? Follow me to Oxford, a place where the real Hogwarts comes to life. Oxford is one of the oldest university cities in the world, where students have been studying for nearly 9 centuries. These ancient colleges and quiet courtyards could easily belong to Hogwarts. No wonder so many Harry Potter scenes were filmed right here. This is Radcliffe Camera, one of Oxford's most iconic buildings. The Bodleian Library. Inside, you'll find the Divinity School, where scenes from Harry Potter were filmed. Here, the magic came to life. This hall became the Hogwarts Hospital Wing, seen in the first 2 films, The Philosopher's Stone and The Chamber of Secrets. A few years later, it appeared again, in the Goblet of Fire, when Professor McGonagall taught the students how to dance. Nearby lies Duke Humphrey's Library, used as the Hogwarts Library, where Harry searched for Nicholas Flamel. Now we're walking through Oxford's narrow streets, like a little maze full of hidden gems. It really feels like Hogsmeade, with its tiny alleys and magical charm. Hidden between these old walls lies Turf Tavern, a 12th century pub where students, writers, and dreamers have gathered for centuries. It feels like the kind of place where a Hogwarts professor might stop for a drink, maybe a glass of butterbeer. And just ahead, we'll reach the Bridge of Sighs, one of Oxford's most beautiful spots. Now we've arrived at New College, part of Oxford University. Its beautiful cloisters and courtyard were used as Hogwarts in Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. We're now inside the chapel of New College, one of the oldest and most beautiful in Oxford. Built in the 14th century, the air feels sacred here. This is where Draco Malfoy sat in the tree, before Professor Moody turned him into a ferret, standing beneath these ancient branches. It's easy to imagine the scene unfolding right here. The laughter, the shock, the magic. Today, it's one of Oxford's most visited spots. And you can easily see why. Despite its name, New College is one of the oldest in Oxford. Founded in 1379. Today, they're open to visitors and still used by students. These cloisters were once used for quiet reflection and study, much like in a monastery. Of course, climbing the tree is strictly forbidden, but many visitors still wish they could, just like Malfoy. The tree is a 400-year-old chestnut, growing beside the old college wall. Leaving the courtyard behind, we climb the old stone steps leading to the dining hall. It's smaller than the Grand Hall at Christ Church, but with its long wooden tables, portraits and warm light, it carries the same Hogwarts charm. Stepping into the gardens feels like leaving the real world behind. A quiet escape that still holds the spirit of Oxford's magic. The sound of the city fades away, replaced by birds and a soft breeze through the trees. Along the edge of the garden stands Oxford's ancient city wall, built in the 13th century and still watching over this place. It's a reminder that history and peace can exist side by side. back at the Bridge of Sighs, built in 1914, linking two Hertford College buildings, a perfect shortcut between lectures. And here it is, Christ Church College, one of Oxford's most iconic landmarks. We couldn't get tickets inside this time, but even from here you can feel its magic. Beyond these gates were filmed some of the most memorable Harry Potter moments. The grand staircase where Professor McGonagall welcomes the first-year students. The corridor where Hermione shows Harry the trophy with his father's name. And the great hall that inspired the design of Hogwarts Dining Hall itself. This peaceful corner belongs to St. Edmund Hall, one of Oxford's oldest colleges. Behind its quiet courtyard stands St. Peter in the east, a former medieval church now used as the college library. Oxford is full of places like this. Corners of calm that remind you why people have come here. For centuries to think, learn, and dream. And finally, the quiet magic gives way to Oxford's busy streets, full of cafes, students, and souvenir shops. The perfect place to take home a little memory of this beautiful city, or maybe something from the world of Harry Potter. And that's the end of our Oxford journey. A city where history, learning, and a touch of magic walk hand in hand. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe. And join me for more travels, joy, and life around the world. And remember, there's a little bit of magic in every journey. You just have to notice it. Expecto Patronum. Mischief managed.